Paul Heyman is the biggest cheater, the betrayal artist. Stomp. Roman Reigns spears Seth Rollins. Superman punch Paul Heyman. Oh, the game changer. Braun breaker. Stomp. Again. This time to Reigns. Let's go. Welcome to Monday Night Rollins. Braun breaker is here. Rollins. Oh, Sami Zayn.
To go to hell.
Wow.
Die with the past. The words from Paul Heyman to Sami Zayn and tonight. Does not believe
Seth Rollins gave an offer to Sami Zayn to join their team, but Sami refused and told Seth to go to hell. So now Braun breaker versus former member of the bloodline, Sami Zayn.
Indeed. I mean, bitter and jealous.
Rollins had a great.
Sami Zayn is a close friend of Roman Reigns, and Braun breaker wants to destroy him.
Unbelievable athlete. Now he just gets some tutelage, grabbing the leg of Sami, pouncing Sami
So that Roman Reigns will fight with him in the future.
Speak for the new Seth Rollins.
That's exactly who he is.
Powerbomb.
Win and a kick out.
A kick out by Braun breaker.
Well, Sami's going to be in the group with the
dog.
Had some battles in
Oh, chop by Sami. Tornado DDT.
Who kicks out a breaker though? Going to meet him. Try top rope. Frankenstein.
Wow.
He's about to be
Frankensteiner.
Went for the spear.
Oh.
Sami with an exploder.
Spear countered with a kick and an exploder. A spear by breaker.
Seth Rollins looking up.
Seth Rollins
Defenseless at this point.
told Braun breaker.
this way. Take the deal. Go to hell.
Oh, third spear. Sami Zayn in so much pain. Referee asked the officials to check, but oh, fourth spear. The dog is out of control. Oh, arguing with the officials and referee. Seth Rollins is trying to stop Braun breaker, but it was all a plan. Rollins and breaker destroyed Sami Zayn. Oh, here comes CM Punk. CM Punk wants his revenge from Paul Heyman and Seth Rollins. Oh, attacks Paul Heyman, but Seth Rollins. Fingers into the eyes and a stomp. Stuns the best in the world. Oh God. Here comes the OTC, the king of WWE, spears Seth Rollins. Superman punch to Paul Heyman. You deserve it, you Paul fraud. Spear him, Roman. Oh, spear. A guy in hoodie. And that is the badass Braun breaker. Braun breaker is the new partner of Seth Rollins. Or Roman stuns him, but breaker returns with a spear. A recipe for Roman Reigns. Oh, Braun breaker is the new dog. Oh, two stomps, one to Punk and one to Reigns. New faction. Oh, Roman Reigns versus Braun breaker, one-on-one action. Let's go. Let's fight, Roman. Destroy him. Oh, Braun breaker spears Roman Reigns, showing his aggression to the OTC, the tribal chief. Braun breaker is looking to eliminate Roman Reigns, but the OTC eliminates breaker. Oh, Seth Rollins is cleaning the announcer's table, telling Roman Reigns to team up with him one more time and destroy CM Punk.
Oh my God, Roman! What are you doing?
Oh! Stomp! Cover by Rollins. But Roman Reigns kicks out. Paul Heyman is shocked. Look at his face. Oh, Seth Rollins. Bang! Smashing CM Punk. Roman Reigns is in so much tension, remembering the past trauma, the betrayal of Seth freaking Rollins. Oh. Will Roman help Seth Rollins or not? He's very angry. He's out of control. Roman Reigns. The Lion Roars. Oh! Right hand to Rollins. Roman told Rollins, I can do it alone. A powerbomb to CM Punk through the table. And now one to Rollins. Oh, Paul Heyman, you bald fraud, you cheater. You betrayal machine. Helping CM Punk. After working with the OTC for 5 long years, Paul Heyman. Betraying Roman Reigns. Oh no! He betrayed CM Punk balls first. Paul Heyman flying and giving the steel chair, presenting the steel chair to the OTC Roman Reigns. Roman is very happy. Now smashing CM Punk. One more time. Again. Roman Reigns completely lost it. Paul Heyman telling Roman Reigns to attack Seth Rollins and complete his revenge. Oh. Telling Roman, do it my tribal chief, do it. You Paul fraud, Paul Heyman. I know you are turning on our tribal chief Roman Reigns. Paul Heyman is laughing. Look at Paul Heyman. Damn! Roman Reigns is in complete shock. What the hell just happened to the balls of Roman Reigns and Paul Heyman? Oh, steel chair. Roman is already in so much pain and now a stomp. Punk is down. And Seth Rollins pinned Roman Reigns in the middle of the ring. John Cena, oh, the Viper Randy Orton is here. It's time for the last real champion to face his biggest enemy. Oh, RKO by Orton to Cena. Randy Orton very angry on John Cena because he defeated Cody Rhodes to win the undisputed title, and now Randy Orton wants the undisputed championship. John Cena is looking for revenge. John Cena attacking Randy with the title. Nope. Again an RKO. Second RKO to John Cena after WrestleMania.
August 12th.
Let's go. Jey Uso versus Braun Breaker Intercontinental Championship match on Monday Night Raw.
Right away.
Oh,
There's a
right
big right
hand
uppercut back.
by Jey Uso.
The champion start to get after what could be
The one shot.
Oh, suicide dive.
Wait, this is what's on the line. The Intercontinental overwhelming support for Jey Uso.
What a move by Breaker.
This
Look
is
at
what
this.
Braun
Wow.
Breaker can
Just
do.
wow.
Jey Uso at this point, you're all alone. Changed in the blink.
Dang. Shoulder toss.
Explosive mentally.
into the corner. Jay in so much pain. Oh, again Braun Breaker showing his strength.
Just tosses
Wow.
on Braun Breaker.
Jey Uso is screaming with pain and now fighting back, proving Samoans are so tough.
Take another look at this and technique
Wow.
of Braun Breaker.
In singles and Jey Uso. Consider everything that Jay has.
Braun Breaker always shows his true strength.
Close, but it's those couple of percent dip or an also.
The dog. Oh,
You into a
finally
war of
overpowers
attrition
Jey Uso.
He just harries
As he's
against the
young,
relative
he's
way how to
fast.
do that.
he's dangerous.
Of the Heat Dunn and Braun Strowman
Journey, but
Oh,
it's
backbreaker.
to retain the title. Oh,
Shots in a row. Well, Braun Breaker.
me.
Now
Purely
insulting
talented
Jey
elite
Uso.
athletes, entire roster.
Dang. Step up and Ziguri.
Braun
Comes.
Suicide dive blocked by Breaker, and now Breaker smashing Jey Uso
and now
into the announcer's table. Clothesline.
The line.
A flying
But
clothesline.
his offensive arsenal
From the ring to the
against
announcer's
title
table.
seeking for a big right hand, and he's one and another.
Oh, again and again and
Little
again.
extra year.
Hip attack.
And they cover. And a kick out.
Uso splash.
and that never
Oh, cut buster.
And can't
match historically.
Spinning
He's reaching
cut
for
buster,
a
and
title.
now-
he was going.
There's nowhere to hide tonight, though.
Oh, super Samoan drop. But a kick out by Braun Breaker.
Count is evident in the eyes.
Oh,
The rules are just.
Perched up there. Top rope.
freaking stunner.
Jason.
But a kick out by Jey Uso. Braun Breaker is
His waist.
frustrated.
But after a singles championship limit with Braun Breaker.
Exchanging blows, both men
Those reserves.
ready to give their best. Oh,
Nice.
Well, Braun Breaker
the
is
dog.
Gonna try for it again.
Wow.
He thought he
A
had
kick out by
like
Manian
this,
Jey Uso.
this deep.
Here it comes.
Spear to the ringside.
And Braun Breaker.
3 miles and
Oh, spear by Jey.
Joe, could it be?
Breaker is down. Uso splash. A kick out by Braun Breaker.
just kick out of that. And now
The dog is very angry.
As highly charged as can be.
Oh,
and now Jay.
Jey Uso spears Braun Breaker. Sends him back in the ring again. A spear. Uso splash. Oh God. Jey Uso wins the Intercontinental Championship. Jey Uso is your new champion, guys.
Who waited
Wow.
years.
What the hell is this Drew McIntyre doing? A Lua kick to Seth Rollins from Sami Zayn. Sami is shocked. But a visionary, with a steel chair in hand, smashes Roman Reigns with a chair. A chair shot of the century. Seth Rollins is stalking CM Punk and stomps him. A blackout. Another curb stomp. Seth Rollins made a statement. He wants to prove himself that he is better than CM Punk and he's better than Roman Reigns. Paul Heyman acknowledged his new client, Seth Rollins. Rollins is proving that he can save Paul Heyman from anyone. Oh. CM Punk attacks Roman Reigns. As Reigns was trying to attack Paul Heyman. GTS. Seth Rollins is talking. CM Punk. Punk is telling him to come and fight. Look at Roman Reigns. Punk is begging Seth Rollins to come and fight. But Rollins has different plans, I think. Seth freaking Rollins is not in mood of fight. He's out. The visionary is out. Paul Heyman is crying with pain as Roman Reigns is down. Punk with a "We the One" sign. Kisses Paul Heyman, and now Rusev Machka, Rusev Udria. Rusev is back in WWE. The monster. Oh, close line by Rusev. Attacks Akira Tozawa also. Rusev is feeling it. Machka. Rusev Udria. Rusev Machka. Akira Tozawa from the top rope. Oh, but Rusev Machka. Fall-away slam by Rusev. Otis is very angry. Otis wants to destroy Rusev and spoil his return, but Rusev. Super kick. And now Rusev is looking to break things for Otis. Machka kick. Again Machka kick. And Rusev with the submission. The camel clutch applied. Rusev